Hello, my name's Lissy from Motor Match Stafford, and today's 360 exterior and interior tour is on this Toyota RAV4 2.5 VVT-h Excel CVT. Now, this vehicle is a petrol hybrid. It is an automatic transmission and is ULEZ compliant and is finished in pure white. To start off with, then you have your LED projector headlights, which are brilliant for illuminating the road ahead of you, especially in those dark conditions. As well as this, you also have 18-inch 5-spoke alloy wheels with a silver finish, really complementing against the pure white exterior colour. You also have privacy glass located in the rear and cargo area, ensuring any passengers or belongings travelling with you have the privacy they desire. Moving to the rear of the vehicle, you can find your electronic boot lid. Once open, you can see you could fit in a large size suitcase or perhaps even a pushchair. Taking a look at the rear seats, you can find the white and grey leather upholstery. The middle seat does fold down to provide an armrest, or you could fold it away to carry that fifth passenger. Moving through the front, you have your multifunctional steering wheel infotainment system, and as we pan round again, you can find that lovely upholstery providing you and your passengers with the utmost comfort. The driver's seat in this vehicle is electronically adjustable, allowing you to find that comfortable position, and then once you've found it, you are able to save it, as it is a memory seat as well. On your multifunctional steering wheel, you have your hands-free options, volume controls, and of course your cruise control, ideal for those longer journeys, allowing you to travel at a constant speed. Taking a look at your dash, you can see this vehicle has done 47,909 miles, however this is subject to change due to test drives. On your infotainment system, you have everything you may need for any journey. Included with this is your DAB radio, which has all sorts of genres of music suited to everyone, so you can always find something to listen to no matter what. As well as this, you also have your navigation system, which allows you to plan any journey you may take in this vehicle, ensuring you always take the quickest yet the safest route possible to those new destinations. You also have your Bluetooth connectivity, allowing you to make and receive those important phone calls whilst on the go, ensuring you're never tempted to pick your phone up whilst driving. And you also have a rear view camera, which makes manoeuvring and reversing so much easier, especially in those difficult parking situations. Moving to your climate control, you have a dual zone climate, so you can individually adjust the temperature suited to either you or your passenger, as well as easily adjust airflow and airflow direction. You also have front heated seats, which is a luxury to have. This has been a presentation on a Toyota RAV4 2.5 VVT-h Excel CVT that is now available to purchase from Motor Match Stafford. For more information, please contact our sales team.